As I communicated earlier, by way of message on the resolution of the Isiolo County Assembly made on Thursday, 26th of June 2025, for the removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County, Section 33, 3A of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order 81B of the Senate, provide that the Senate may, 1, by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter, or to investigate the matter in plenary. The motion having been negatived, the route of special committee is abandoned, and that implies that the Senate will investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County, in plenary, pursuant to Section 33(3)A of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81B2. Now, Honorable Senators, at its meeting held today, Monday the 30th of June 2025, the Senate Business Committee considered the provisional dates for this investigation in the event that the matter was to be investigated in plenary. In line with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing in plenary, I hereby give the following directions. A, the clerk to issue invitations to appear to the parties on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025. B, the parties to file their responses with the office of the clerk of the Senate by Friday, the 4th of July, 2025, by 5 p.m. And C, the clerk to circulate documents received from the parties, including the plenary hearing program, to all honorable senators by close of business on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, by 5 p.m. And D, the Senate shall then investigate the matter in plenary on Tuesday, the 8th of July, and Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025. The Senate is therefore advised accordingly. I thank you.